Hello everyone, you're welcome again, and thank you for staying tuned to all our videos. We appreciate you guys. And this is another video. We'll be creating another simple business poster. Yes, you might want to create a business poster, and you just want it to just be as simple as it can be. I know business poster is one thing that you don't need too much ingredients. Let me use the words too much ingredient. The most important thing is just make sure that you put everything in place, and your design outlook looks marvelous. So we'll be creating a business poster, and we'll be making use of our background image size, which is we'll be going to, let's see, 840 or 820. Let's see how 840 done now. Okay, this is okay. So, and the next thing that we're going to do now is to change our background here. So we're going to make use of a very plain background. No need of stylishly making it looks that just something that will make it simple, because poster design has to do with a lot of text. So you have to add a lot of text. So you want the text to stand out in your design, so you won't want your background to start overshadowing it. So we'll go for our color here. We'll click on our color here, and we'll go for a very suitable color background. Let's say something a little bit not too white, not too dark. Okay, I guess this is okay. You can easily see them now. This is for the black, yeah, this is for the white. So I just want something not too dark, not too this. Let me check this other one. Okay, let's see, this one is okay. It looks dim, so let's continue. So we'll click OK. So the next thing we'll do now is to get our shape on board. So we are trying to get something like this. Add our shape. Okay, click on OK. Click on OK. Then we'll add another shape again. And which shape are we trying to, like a pentagon or an octagon shape? Which of them? Okay, let's use this. Okay, and let's reduce this it here. So let's reduce the opacity and increase the width of it. Yeah, increase the width of it, and then change the color to the stroke width to white. Let's change it to white. Excuse me. Let's see. Okay. Let's give it black. Let's give it black. Let's see how black will fit in on it. Okay, let's leave it like this. And we'll click on OK. So once we click on OK, so we want this to fit in. We're trying to create a particular shape here, so we want this to fit in. Okay, I guess yes, so we want this to fit in. So we'll come here and look for a way to adjust it so it fits very well. So let's see, we're trying to make sure that it fits. Let me place this at the center. Let me make sure it's at the center, and then this one as well. Make sure it's at the center. Okay, then I have to bring this down a little and see. I need to take it up a little. I need to take it up. Yes, this is okay. Okay, so what we are going to do next is we're going to merge both shapes together. By now you must have known how to merge both shapes together. And then we have this now. We have this. Okay, so we'll place this here. Let me make sure that this thing is seated properly. Okay, so the next thing now we're going to do is we'll copy this. Let's copy this so that we can create something similar to it. Rotate this, just rotate it backwards and place it somewhere like this. You can see now that we are trying to get at something here. Okay, let me bring this down. So the next thing I will do now is to come here. We'll add another shape again. Add another shape, something like this. Just need something small. Okay, something like this, and bring it down a little. Bring it down a little. Make sure that it's you need to, if you can use your zoom and this thing in your future to make sure that it's at exactly the center point on that particular mark there. Okay, it's at the center. Okay, let me take this back. Okay, done. So now what we'll do next is to the shape of this particular one. We have to, I didn't edit it. Let's increase the radius to 100. Okay, now the radius is on 100. Now we take it inside. I guess we have to increase it a little. We have to increase it a little. Okay, okay, so that's it for this. And I guess this should be sitting at the center. Let me still take it up just by one. Okay, so now we are done for that. Let's see how we can reposition this back again. So you see that we are getting at something here. So the next thing I will do is both of this one and this one, we'll merge them together. So let's merge them together and see what we'll get. Let's merge them together. Okay, they are both, oh, I must have merged the wrong one. Excuse me, I merged the wrong ones. I made the wrong one. Let me take it down. I guess so let's merge again. So we click on this and this, and then we merge together. Now I've gotten the right one now, because I wanted to merge this and this. I initially merged this down one with the top, so which is not supposed to be so. So now I always like checking my time. So now we've merged both of them together. So the next thing now we'll do is this particular one. Now we have to copy it again. Let's copy it. We're getting at something here. Let's copy it, rotate it, and reduce the size. Reduce the size and then place it here. So it should fit at exact point. Now you might say you might not be seeing this, so let's just add this and give it a color. Let's just say color. Which color are we going to? Green. Let me see other one. Okay, let me see. Let's see. That one. Let's see. Afternoon. No, let's see this one. Okay, I guess this is okay. Let me see this other one. Let me adjust the color. No, this yellow should be okay. Okay, this yellow, adjust it a little. Okay, I guess this looks okay. Well, let me still touch it a little bit. Okay, I guess this is okay. So now the next thing we'll do is we'll give this a shadow effect. One thing about giving shadow effect, most of the times it makes your work look very neat and very responsible, even very professional. So we'll give it a shadow effect, enable it. After enabling it, this should be on its own 0. So what we'll do is we'll give the background should be black. It should be black. Okay, so the blur radius of it, so we won't want it to be too shouty, so we'll set it at 5 is okay. At least let's let everybody know that yes, there's an effect there. Then this, we need to take it down a little, take this down a little. Okay, so we're getting on something now. What next that we're going to do now is we'll add another shape. I need something that will cover this. Excuse me. Okay, so sorry for the interruption. So the next thing, we'll add our shape here. So we want this our shape to like perfectly fit the other shape here. So I'm trying to take this at the center. Let me use my zooming feature here. So that is the essence of this zoom here. It gives you clarity of whatever you're doing. So take it up a little. I guess that should be much. Let me see. Okay, and let's see how this works out to be. Oh, God have mercy. Okay, I guess this is it. Then stretch it. Okay, yeah, that's it. So now the next thing, now we'll merge these two that we just finished now. That this top first two, so we merge it together. So we merge it and we click on OK. Yeah, so I guess that's it. Or did I go out of line here? Oh my goodness, I merged the wrong one. Please, sorry. Why did I like doing this mistake? Okay, I guess that should be this one. Let me take it up so I won't make that same mistake again. So I'll take it to the top. And let me adjust this back again. I need to adjust this back again. Okay, it's moved aside. Okay, yeah, so now we merge it together and click on OK. Now we've gotten what we want. Okay, time is almost here. So now the next thing, I will give this particular shape a color and a gradient color for that matter. So we enable this and look for a gradient color that fits it. So okay, now something like this is okay. Okay, yeah, something like this is okay. Okay, so okay, so now the next thing I will do is to start adding our text. But before we add our text, this particular shape here, we won't just leave it like that. So we'll put a picture on it. So how do you achieve this? You just click on it, then go to texture. You click on this texture here, and then you click on this image here. So click on this image here, click on this image here, and let me see, I should have this thing here. I gallery. I don't have much on this thing. Okay. Let me just go to download and see. Okay, let me just make use of this picture. Since it's a business this thing, but this particular picture is my church Winners Chapel. That is the just like the rooftop of it. Let me just make use of it. Okay, let me make use of it, and let me turn this. Okay, then we have to. I want it to fill the distance. It's looking like something that cut. So I'll come here and enable this. Okay, I'll come here and enable this. So it's looking full. So I want the picture to stretch. So I'll click on this scale. I'll click on that scale there. So you see stretching. Okay, I guess that's it. Okay, let me leave it to the end of it, and I'll click on OK. Yeah, so that is this for this particular one now. So the next thing, I can now start adding every other thing. You add your logo. If you have, like me, I have my logo, so I'll come here and add my logo here. So I guess my logo, I'll add my logo here. Add my logo. So my logo is itself is already carrying a yellow, golden kind of yellow background, because this is not pure yellow, it's a gold effect. So come here and put it, and then you add your text. It might be the name of your brand, so just say Cosmos View. Cosmos View. Oh, excuse me. Okay, Cosmos View. And I won't want to be using too many fonts, so I'll just make use of Montessori. Now let me use the black effect, and then reduce it, or let me change it from black, because I might be using black on another one. So let me just change it. It can be bold. Let's leave it at bold. So let me reduce the size. Let me reduce the size. Let me reduce the size. 15 will be okay. Then 15, okay. Okay, so that's it. Now I have to copy this text because it's the same font that I'm using, just different family. So come here and I'll just put a general something here. So you just headline. Your headline can be here. Your headline can be here. Let's take the logo and the name down a little. Okay, your headline can be here. Then the next thing you can add can be talk about your brand. Talk about your brand. So $15 will still be okay. Okay, so the next thing now, we can just maybe after there's a particular this thing that I already have, like my scripts, just okay, just this is just a general write-up, doesn't mean anything. Okay, and I will reduce the font size the same on two sides, but just look for a lighter one, maybe medium. Regular will be okay. Regular will be okay. Okay, then the next thing now, after this, we just come here. I don't know if maybe if it's how I did it, landscape is looking very tiny on my eyes, but let's just carry on. So the next thing will come here and we'll put here, can just be, since we're doing a business, this thing we can put business here. Use the same color that we used. Later we'll make the necessary adjustment. Let me just, I'm trying to speed this. Next one will come here, right? It's a poster, business poster. Okay, then the next thing, we'll start adding our numerous types of things here. We can come here and write our services, reduce the size, still reduce the size. Our services, okay, let me still copy this, our services again. This one can be, how do all these businesses, our services, hope I'm not taking much time. Our services, about us, then the next one can just be contact address. Just, you can just create something. This is something I'm trying to create off head, so I really don't have a prepared design of this, so it's just my first time. So this is okay. So to make this look a little bit, because we'll still make use of the alignment, to make this look a little bit okay, we'll add a shape to separate it. So this is how to add all these shapes. Let's see. Let me take it down fast. Okay, it's looking too long, so I have to reduce the height. 15 is okay. Okay, and then I just have to duplicate this so I can use on others. Okay, that's it. So let's make use of our grid line. So this is our grid line. We have to make sure that what we are designing is not out of line. So let me start with this. Okay, then boldness, and then this. Okay, so take this off and then do the needful. So you have to just make the necessary adjustment. Let me see if I align this, how it will look like. No, let's leave it like this. Let me justify it and see. Oh, no, I'm not justifying. So let's just adjust it so that it won't go far from the line. So if it's too out of place, you just reduce it more on from here, this end here, and then adjust and see. Okay, we've taken it two. Let's see. I guess this one is okay. This one is okay. And then we'll come here as well, adjust our business. Okay. Same thing for the poster. Okay. And then we check this one as well to make sure that they are seated at the same line. Okay. I guess it's only contact me that is off. So no. Okay, so that is just, you take off your grid line, and you can just add, let me just copy this same thing. You can just add whatever thing you want to add there. You can just add whatever thing. You make this color to be white. Make this color to be white. So whatever you're adding, why? Oh my goodness, this still wants to give me tough work now. Let me delete this. Okay, just add this color white. So guys, that's the end of this design. So I'll be showing you the aftermath of the design, so to avoid you burning much time. So all you just have to just do is to, after I finish making the design and everything, then I will show you the aftermath of the design. So all you just have to just do is follow the same process and you get the same results. Thank you very much, and God bless you.